Producers and filmmakers are apparently interested in Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's defamation lawsuit. Keep watching our video to find out if Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial is to become a movie. What happened to the case? In a defamation case against Amber Heard in June, Johnny Depp won almost $10 million in damages, while she won only $2 million in a countersuit. On June 1st, a jury in Fairfax County, Virginia, decided that Heard, who is 36 years old, slandered Depp, who is 59 years old, in her 2018 op-ed about domestic violence and abuse, even though she didn't mention him by name. She received $2 million in a countersuit, while he received more than $10 million in damages. They're both now appealing the verdicts. After Depp was unsuccessful in a libel suit brought against a British tabloid for referring to him as a wife abuser, a year and a half later, the jury returned that verdict. The judge in London declared that the outlet's claims were substantially true, and Depp's attempt to change that decision in March 2021 failed. Now, their legal battle and their rocky relationship will be turned into a movie called Hot Take: The Depp Heard Trial. The movie will star Mark Hapka and Megan Davis as the main leads. Stick to the upcoming segments to know more about the upcoming movie, and make sure you press that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. How the plot of the movie is drawn out. As told earlier, Hot Take: The Depp Heard Trial, a film on the contentious defamation lawsuit involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, will premiere only on the free Tubi streaming service. Both Mark Hapka from Parallels and Megan Davis from Alone in the Dark played Depp and Heard in the movie respectively. It will debut on Fox's Tubi streaming service on Friday, September 30th. Hapka and Davis will be joined by Melissa Marthy from Station 19 as Camille Vasquez, Depp's attorney, and Mary Carrick from Law & Order True Crime as Elaine Bredehoft, Heard's attorney. Hot Take dramatizes the 2-month defamation trial that ended on June 1st and found that Heard had defamed Depp by making references to domestic violence allegations against him in an op-ed piece in December of 2018. You won't miss a single aspect of the real case in the movie. How the trial followed the turbulent relationship between Depp and Heard both inside and outside of court, how Depp was found responsible by the jury for a defamatory comment made regarding Heard by his attorney, and much more. Direction of the movie. Hot Take comes from Fox Entertainment's Mar Vista Entertainment. Guy Nicolucci, The Daily Show, wrote the screenplay, while Sarah Lohman's Secrets in the Woods is in charge of the direction. According to Tubi's chief content officer, Adam Lewinson, the movie was rushed into production by Mar Vista and Tubi to capture a timely take on a topic that became part of the cultural zeitgeist, providing a distinct vision of what millions witnessed play out in the headlines over the summer. One of the many current culturally significant original movies to come from our growing alliance and slate of films being created in association with Tubi is Hot Take: The Depp Heard Trial, as claimed by Hannah Pillemer, EVP Creative Affairs for Mar Vista. She further stated that any lover of pop culture or celebrity drama should watch such pieces of art because they introduce viewers to tales with high levels of social currency and topicality. Brittany Clemens, Angie Day, Marianne C. Wunsch, Hannah Pillemer, and Fernando Xu are the executive producers of the movie, and Christy Force Viatic serves as producer under their Ninth House banner. Well, visibly, the case led to another movie in Hollywood, but what about Johnny Depp? What's he doing after such a wild experience? Let's come down to our latest segment to explore. So what's next for Depp now that the defamation trial is over and both Hollywood celebrities will, hopefully, resume their lives and careers? Depp is well known for his movies, but less well known is his lifelong dream of becoming a rock musician. He released an album named 18 in July with guitarist Jeff Beck. He's already shared the stage with Beck at a number of live performances in the United Kingdom in advance of the premiere. Now that the dramatic trial is finished, Depp is all free to rock out. Following Heard's complaint of domestic assault, many have categorized the decision as a legal victory for the celebrated actor. However, considering the protracted cycle of media drama that followed their divorce, life won't be easy for either celebrity. Depp, who gained notoriety with the Pirates series as well as other movies, was dropped from the 6th installment of the Disney epic when Heard published an opinion piece on domestic violence in the Washington Post. The team certainly believes, according to a former Disney executive who spoke to People, that they will lure the star back. For a popular figure that's strongly ingrained in Disney culture, there's simply too much potential box office wealth. Having said that, the long-awaited Tim Burton sequel to the 1988 original movie could really materialize according to Hypebeast, and there are rumors that Depp will star alongside his ex-girlfriend Winona Ryder and Michael Keaton. An even more amusing IMDb profile for the next movie that would be, which is expected to release in 2025, exists. Although it's too soon to predict Depp's return to the big screen, the conclusion of the highly publicized trial seems to have given him some comfort. In a statement to Hello, Depp acknowledged that he owes this victory to his children and to everyone who's continued to stand by his side unwaveringly to speak the truth. Depp further added that he has finally achieved it and he feels at peace. The Oscar-nominated actor is working on Jean du Barry, which will be his first film feature since 2020. Additionally, he's now shooting for the TV miniseries Puffins. Anyways, one movie before all movies, and that is the hot take. Fans can't wait to see the drama depiction of the whole heated event.